Hello and welcome, my dear grade 10 elite students, to my channel Mathematics Made Easy. This is Ms. Ruchika welcoming you to today's session. Today in this video, we are going to cover Learning Objective 9 from part 1 of your exam coverage that has come for the coming math exam. So in this session, we are going to find the discriminant of a quadratic function. So let's see what questions we are solving in this session. The learning objective 9 states find the discriminant of a quadratic equation, and first let me give you the formula and the conditions that we are going to use for this question. These are questions 8 to 13 on page 73 given of your math book. So discriminant is denoted first of all by D. You can write a capital D, small d, whatever you want, and you have to calculate in order to find the discriminant the value b square minus 4ac. Now there are going to be three conditions. Either this discriminant comes out to be positive, or it comes out to be negative, or it comes out to be equal to 0. So for each of the question there will be a different kind of solution that we get for the given quadratic equation. If it is positive, we will get two real solutions or two real roots. If it is negative, we will get imaginary roots. And if it is equal to 0, it means there is going to be only one real solution. It's like having repeated roots. So for these quadratic functions that you see, the function is denoted by ax square plus bx plus c. For each part, we will first identify the values of a, b and c, and then we'll calculate this quantity called discriminant, which is given by this formula. So let's go ahead and do it. So we first write a, b and c. So you may write it in this way so that you can identify your a, b and c carefully and easily. Make sure you don't do any sign mistake so that your answer comes out correct. If you have identified the values of a, b and c in a wrong manner, then your discriminant value is bound to be wrong. So a, if you see here, is 2. B, if you see here, is minus 5. C is 3. Similarly here A is 2, B is 6, C is minus 9, A is 3, B is 2, C is 1, A is 3, B is minus 8, C is minus 3, A is 4, B is minus 3, C is minus 7, A is 4, B is minus 2, and C is 11. So this is how you identify for each of the given parts values of A, B and C correctly. Now we are ready to solve the discriminant. So for first question, the discriminant, as I told you, is given by this formula, b square minus 4ac. So we put the value of b, which is minus 5, whole square minus 4, a multiplied with c. Simplify this and this number comes out to be 1, which is positive. So therefore this question will have two real roots. Okay, now let's do answer 9 here. For answer 9, again we calculate the discriminant using this formula. B is 6, A is 2, C is minus 9. Simplify and you will get this value as 108, which is again positive. So there also for this question we have two real solutions or two real roots. Let's do the remaining question in the next slide. First I do here answer 10. For answer 10, you calculate discriminant using the formula b square minus 4ac. We've already calculated our b is 2, a is 3 and c is 1. So this whole thing comes out to be equal to minus 8, which is negative. So there are going to be two imaginary roots. That's your answer 10. Similarly, you do answer 11. Use the same formula for discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac, and this time the value of b for this question is minus 8. The value of a is 3 and c is minus 3. Simplify and this comes out to be 100, which is a positive thing, so two real solutions. Now I think you've got a hang of the method, you know how to solve the remaining questions. So I will directly give you answer 12 now. The discriminant value using the formula for this question will come out to be equal to this value. And when you simplify, it's going to be 121, which is positive. So two real roots. Last question for this video is 13. Again, we use the same formula and we put in the values. So this comes out to be minus 2 square minus 4 times 11. So simplify, and this value comes out to be negative, which is less than 0. So there are going to be 2 imaginary roots, no real roots in this case. That is the end of today's video where we learned how to find the discriminant for a given quadratic function. I hope you found the video useful, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends who are going to give the math exam very soon. Until then, this is Ms. Ritika signing off from this video. Wish you all the very best for your coming exam. Bye bye.